The most common mistake I have seen beginner YouTubers make is begging people to subscribe to their young YouTube channels. In fact, I bet that if you're a YouTuber at any time, you too have done that at one point or another. Do you know that begging your family, your friends and relatives to subscribe to your YouTube channel, either on social media or you're begging them physically, is detrimental to the growth and success of your channel? Well, I am sure that this one shocked you. Now, let me explain a little bit better. When you publish a video on YouTube, YouTube expects your subscribers to be your first cheerleaders. So, if they click and watch your video, YouTube algorithm will interpret your video as being relevant to your community, and so YouTube will push your videos for more people to see, including non-subscribers. But let's say you have 800 subscribers and after you publish a video, maybe only 5 of them clicked it. YouTube will interpret that if your subscribers who are supposed to be your biggest fans are ignoring your video, that means that the video is worthless to them, and so since YouTube wants to promote only good videos, they will push yours down with lesser chances of being seen. But the question is, why will your family and friends subscribers not watch your videos? Yes, the answer is simple. Because your video is not relevant to them. Not that your video are not important, but the topic you're talking about is not relevant to them and they are not interested in that. You can force them to subscribe, but they can only watch what they love. So, it's better for you to have just 200 subscribers who choose to subscribe to your YouTube channel on their own because they love your videos than for you to have 800 subscribers who are just family and friends and friend of friends who only pitied you to subscribe but are not really interested in whatever it is that you're publishing on your channel. Of course, I know that this may sound strange to you and you might have questions for me. So if you have questions, drop them in the comment section and I promise to read and respond to them. For more marketing, AI automation and make money videos, make sure you follow me on YouTube and all my available social platforms.